Hey there, everyone. So, let's have a chat about why your Cisco Catalyst 9300 might not be handling those jumbo frames as smoothly as you'd like it to be. Alright, to start with, jumbo frames need to have the exact same MTU settings all the way along the journey, from the one end to the other. If there's been a mismatch, like if you forgot to set the SVI MTU or you skipped a reload, crash landing in some pretty big problems. Don't fret though, I've got your back. I'll show you the steps I took to set up everything, how to confirm that everything is in order, and some handy troubleshooting tips that will help you out on the way. Plus, I'll share some valuable best practices that you should always keep in mind. And hey, did you know that from the NS engineers, they genuinely suggest sticking with the 9000 byte MTU across all your devices? Trust me, it'll make life easier for you and ensure that your equipment is working perfectly. And don't overlook doing those jumbo ping tests just to double check that everything is in order. Alright, you heard it all, let's get those frames zipping along.